Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play this flying ball. But first, you have to make sure your flying ball is fully charged. Mine is already fully charged. I had an accident when I first did it, so I'm going to wear something to protect my face. I'm going to have my good brother help me again. Turn it on. Let's try this again.
Get it, Brody.